Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday, and you know what? This week it's tough. I'm talking about load shedding. Load shedding here, for those who don't know, it's power cuts. They cut the power maybe for a few hours. So yesterday it was like seriously very long, and I did not even have the backup, you see, because it was like seriously long. So yeah, and it was not actually good. Plus yesterday we had FOMC around 9 o'clock p.m. actually. Guess what? They increased with 50 basis points. We all knew about that, but NASDAQ did not actually push up. So I actually lost that one because the market was going down. But just because I'm late, I wanted to show you the video, but I think this is going to take longer, so I'm not going to show you that. Maybe I'll show you maybe tomorrow on the next video. But before we continue, before we do something, you know what? I always think about other things, other people who actually wants to join the team. And unfortunately, I can't just say join for free. But I want people to be part of the team, especially you guys here on YouTube. So what I'm going to do here is going to be like seriously amazing. But you know what? I'll tell you when we do NASDAQ and stuff like this. So now let's check actually USDJPY. What's really happening on USDJPY is, yes, the market is still continuing with that downtrend. After they increased the rates, we saw the market did not actually push that much, but the market is trying to do what? To now pushing back to the upside, but because the market was around this support area. I thought maybe the market was going to create some spikes, but you know what? That was not the case. The market did not actually create that, but I like the fact that the market is creating some very nice structures around this area. So I'm still expecting maybe the market to go straight to this resistance before pushing lower and create a structure like that. Do you see that? So I'm expecting the market to continue going down as we are on a downtrend. I hope you can see that. Do you see that? So let's push to the next one. I don't really want to make this video very long. Now we are on actually Euro USD. So what's really happening on Euro USD? You can easily see that, yes, the market is now trying to go down. The market was actually going up. We had a very nice support area there. I'm expecting the market to push up, even though the market is now trying to go back to this support area. It seems like the market will then push to the upside. You can easily see that the market is actually on that support area. So let's make sure that let's make sure that we still buy, especially when the market is still respecting this area. We call that area a support area. I think even yesterday I did talk about that. And what I see is we don't actually have any crazy move from FOMC. So I think that actually is the latest, the last high impact news that we have actually for this year. I don't think we're gonna have any until next year actually. So let's push to the next one. Now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? On gold, it's where we start to see some sort of effect. Actually, because the power was not around, so I think we're supposed to have a very nice sell there, but we will see if maybe we're going to have a sort of rejection before going down. So, but what happened is the market was pushing above this support area. The market was going above this area. And what's really happening now is we had a very nice support where we thought maybe the market was going to respect before pushing up. But guess what? Now the market broke out of that and now it's pushing to the lowest side. So it means maybe now the market is changing the trend. Sooner or later, we're going to wait and check. We're going to have maybe a sell pending order very, very soon, you see. So that's what I'm thinking. Maybe the market will be creating a sort of rejection before pushing lower, or maybe around this area the market might find a support before maybe respecting that, or before maybe let me do something like this, before maybe pushing lower. That is also possible. The market can break that area, or maybe the market can respect that. So we have to check also that. But currently, as the market broke out of that, I'm expecting the market to do what? To push lower. I hope you see that. So let's move to the next one, which is US oil. What's really happening on US oil? I think maybe this is quite straightforward. The market is still very, very, very strong on this downtrend. You can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the lower side. But we see that since the market created some structures, the market created this support structure, now it's pushing back now. So what are we expecting? Will the market push and reach this area around 84 there? It's possible. It's possible. But there is another area that we can also check. I think on top here you can easily see that the market was creating something. The market was creating something. So if we connect this, will they make sense? Let's try. If they make sense, we're gonna go with that. Let me just start from where we are and try to connect them. Where we are and try to connect them. It seems like they actually make sense. There is that possibility that the market can take that route and create something like that. So let's see. Yeah, there is that possibility. There is that possibility that the market can respect that area before actually pushing there. You can see the market is being creating something like that and going down. There is that possibility, or maybe the market will come back around this support area before going down. We have to look for different actually options. We can't just say the market will strictly do this or that, you see. So now let's push to the next one, which is US30. No crazy moves, nothing. So what's really happening is, since we had a very nice downtrend, you see that the market was downtrending. We had a very nice breakout. Then we expected the market to push the upside, but that seems to be like struggling. And we see that actually with these pending orders. Do you see that? We see that the market is creating some sort of pending orders. So if the market is creating some pending order, you know that actually the market is thinking, or the market is trying to decide what will happen next. And what will happen actually is not going to be between this support and resistance. It's going to be a very nice breakout pushing to the upside, or maybe a breaking out of this support area going to the lower side. So for now, it means that the market is just consolidating around this area. So for now, let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see if maybe we're gonna see any breakout, because the market is been playing around between this area for quite some time now. So it means that we just need to relax and see. So let's see NASDAQ 100. What's really happening on NASDAQ 100 is quite straightforward. So actually, I said I'm going to explain some sort of special that we have actually. Remember, guys, we have like $18 lifetime signal. I think that is the lowest price that we can actually reach. I think that is the lowest price, because in South African rates, I think that is 300. So, and the robot currently is $45. I said we're gonna push that actually to month end. Then after the price, they're going to just go back to normal. But I've been thinking about something, because I have like maybe a few people actually on my YouTube channel. I think around, we going straight to maybe 5,000. Maybe we left with less than 100 to reach 5,000. So, but I really want that number to join the team, you see. And we're coming from different countries. So what I'm going to do here is, you should be subscribed, by the way, but I think I will update you on this one. But yes, listen to that. So what I was thinking is, what if that number, we can convert that number to a Telegram group and try to help you there, because sometimes I can't actually upload videos every day. And if I don't really upload videos every day, it doesn't mean that maybe I might be offline or something, I can still update you on Telegram. You see. But the number there, it should be very nice. So what I'm going to do is, this group might start actually, let's say next year, January. But I want the number to be like seriously high. Why? Because we're going to charge like close to zero. So now you will see that it's no longer about money. Now it's about helping you. I seriously want to help you. So that number won't be a limited number, but in that group we have to be discussing about the market, the structures, the news and stuff like that. You see, as I'm going through a route where I'm no longer going to currently I'm going on a route where I'm no longer going to do like offer mentorship. So it means I'll have enough time maybe to share some other information in that group. So this is crazy, guys. This is going to be crazy, and this is meant for you. This is meant for everyone. Whether you joined before, whether you did not join, this you can still be in that group, because I just want to make it to be like seriously different. So we're going to have like a lot of videos for updates in that group. So it's going to be actually just because this is for everyone. I no longer want to charge people for for signals and stuff like that. So I just want to do my own thing. Actually, I can just trade and forget about other things. So I'm just going to offer this group because this is supposed to be close to zero. So like close to like seriously very, very small amount. So it's going to be $9 actually, because I need a lot of people in that group so that we can engage with each other. So, but it's impossible. What I know is mostly it's impossible just to send $9 from other people. If maybe you use crypto, as we're going to use crypto mostly. So whatever that you send, just make sure that you can able to, if maybe they say you start from $10, yeah, you can send $10. Actually, what I can say is the minimum is $9. You can send any amount, but the minimum should be $10 or $9. Why? Because some wallets or systems or payment system, they won't allow sending less than $10. So if you want, you can send $15, you can send $11, you can send whatever that you want. But this payment, what I want is, I'm no longer going to use PayPal. What I'm going to use is, we can use Skrill or crypto. We can use USDT. So this is me appreciating whatever that, those likes, those views that you're giving me. Very, very few. I think it's 200 views mostly per day. So if you were struggling to join, or if you just want to test, and these signals, they're just going to be like 12 months straight. No monthly, no. 12 months straight. You just pay once. Then after that, if it's done, you will just continue if you want. If you don't want, you can just leave it like that. Do you see that? I hope you see the price there. It's $9. So you can't say, oh, we make money with signals. No. So now, but the group, guys, to be fair, I don't want to start that group with maybe 2 people or 3 people. I will leave the group. I will let people to join. Actually, you can start whatever from today, whatever. And I will let people to join. When we reach a certain number, let's say maybe when we start to reach 30 to 50 people, then the group actually will start pushing. Actually, if you are here on YouTube, if you see this on YouTube, I don't think maybe you can miss that. It's $9. I don't know how much in South African rands. Maybe it's 150 rands, I think. I don't know. Somewhere there you can do the conversion. You can do the conversion. So why? Because I know some people, they struggle to get the signal. And 1 signal or 2 signal they can change. You can make money from that. You can make money from that. So thank you very much, guys, for supporting the channel. That is actually meant for you. Actually, I was supposed to make that $1 or $2, but you can't send that. You can't send that. So Yeah, $9 is fine. So what's really happening on NASDAQ is the market is actually going down, down, down. We are on a downtrend. Yes, yesterday we had some 50 basis points as increase. You know what? I thought maybe the market was going to buy. I thought the market was going to push up. I did buy. Boom, the market went lower and I lost something there. So what's really happening is it seems like the market is actually respecting our resistance, and now the market is doing what? It seems like the market will be going down, and we have a very nice support there. If that is broken, we will be looking for what? For the market to actually push lower and lower again. So it means as we are on a downtrend, we're gonna continue with that trend, whether we lose or something, but we know that 90% of the time we're going to make it. So yes, don't say I did not show you the $9 special. I can't say it's a special. I just want people to be part of the team, those who are struggling. But I think the best way to send this will be crypto, because if you know Binance, you can use that. If maybe you can't able to send if you can able to send $9, it's up to you. You can send whatever that you want. You heard that from me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.